Hello everyone, you're on GT Cars channel, and today I got this one 5-pack Matchbox 70 years. Yes, 70 years on the top. And there are a bunch of tractors and some not good cars, but I will open and show you each one. Let's go. First one. This is first one, Matchbox MBX backhoe. Also written here. Unit 5 backhoe. Not moving. This thing don't moving. And this one moving. Okay, next one, MBX turf hauler. Oh, it have moving parts. No. Now I think this car is good because they have something moving. Okay. Next one, road roller. Also written here and here. Next one. This one is a real car. Chevrolet Chevy Silverado 1050. Silverado Unit 2. Unit 2. Not 2, but Unit 2. (2014) Chevy. And the last one of this 5-pack is something. This one is road scraper. Okay. Road scraper is road scraper. Oh, it's moving. Good. Okay. This is all 5-pack. Thank you for the watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.